My beloved, do you know when the warm wind comes again, another year will start to pass? And please don't ask me why I'm here. Something deeper brought me than a need to remember. We were once young and blessed with wings. No heights could keep us from their reach. No sacred place we did not soar. Still greater things burn within us. I don't regret the choices that I made. I know you feel the same. My beloved, do you know how many times I stared at clouds, thinking that I saw you there? These are feelings that do not pass so easily. I can't forget what we